Who is your favorite hero and heroine?
Can you ask me also, please?
Wait, I'll ask.
Pawan Kalyan, Pooja Hegde.
Okay, you tell me. Who is your favorite hero?
My
And
favorite hero is Allu Arjun. Heroine is Samantha. Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Shivala Sisters.
okay. Hello sisters.
Yes.
Are you ready today's challenge?
Yes.
Okay. Today's challenge is
We will
pop up balloon. Yeah. I will 1 minute. There are in the bowl some chits are there.
Yeah.
So I have write the numbers
Yeah.
which is in the balloon. So which number I will take? Who will blast the balloon first? They will got 10 points.
Okay.
Who didn't pop the balloon? They have to take answer. They have to answer the question. Okay, I
You
will.
will keep time.
Who will losers? I will ask the question.
You will keep time and answer.
No timing. Okay. Simply I will take randomly. Okay.
Okay? You will stop means we have to stop it. Blasting the balloons.
Yeah.
Okay?
Ready? Okay. Give me one chit. Don't open. Give it to me. Remaining keep there. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Go on. Ready.
Okay.
The number is
The number is
4. Okay. Shahini got 10 points. Okay. Now Grishma. Okay, now I am asking to Grishma question.
okay.
The question is, if you got 1 lakh lottery, what you will do that in 1 lakh?
I will buy one toy scooty
Okay.
and I will give my sister. I will buy for her also,
Okay.
and I will surprise her.
Okay. That's all.
I will give. There is some money is left out means I will buy a watch for my dad. New watch.
Okay. Good. Clap.
Which number?
Yeah. For Shahini, are you ready?
Yeah.
The number is 1.
Who is the winner?
Grishma got 10 points. So now the question is punishment to Shahini. Yeah. For you, tell me the ABCD reverse.
Red, white, X, U, W, U, T, B, U,
That is order wise, not I am asking reverse.
U,
Yeah.
U, V, తర్వాత V after
Sangital, A to Z reverse. No? Yes? No, yes తర్వాత చెప్పు. Tell me yes. Day after.
G after
Claps. Now next chit. Give me Grishma. Yes. I am revealing the number. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Number 2 8 8 8 అక్క చూసేసిందమ్మా. సో నౌ గ్రీష్మ గాట్ 10 points. సో ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ షాహిని పనిష్మెంట్. సో టెల్ మీ 5 favorite food names.
Biryani, mutton biryani,
Okay.
fish fry,
Okay.
chicken biryani, no, kebab,
Okay.
and mutton fry.
Total 5.
Yes.
All non-veg only you like?
Yes. No, she like one thing. She like curd. Upma. Curd. Upma also.
But she said only non-veg item.
She like too much non-veg.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I am telling the next number.
Okay.
Ready? The number is 9. Shahini got 10 points.
Yes.
The question for you. Tell me 5 domestic animals and 5 wild animals names.
Domestic animals. Cat.
Okay, now wild animals. Five, four. No, that is not. Okay, cats.
Are you ready? Next.
Yes.
Okay. The next one number is. Be ready.
Yes.
I am telling now.
Yes.
Number is 2. Okay. Shahini got 10 points. So the loser Grishma, I am giving the punishment. So the question is, tell me 50 to 30 reverse.
50 to 30. First 50.
50 to reverse reduce.
50.
Hmm.
Let's start this one. 330.
Okay. Okay, clap. Okay, the next number. Ready?
Yes.
The number is it is where it is you can check.
10.
Tell me Grishma, what do you think?
I think 3 or 10.
3 or 10, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
The number is
The number is
5. Okay, Shahini got 10 points. Now Grishma, I am asking you question. Stand in the middle. Come both. Go back. Go back. I'm asking go back. The question is, when you alone at home, suddenly ghost came in front of you. What you will do?
I die. What the ghost will do, I will also do like that.
You will die. Why?
Why is it that I don't like ghosts? Ghosts. I'm too scared. That's why what the ghost will do, I will do. That's all.
Okay, claps. Okay, the next number. Grishma, tell me what you think. Which number is?
7 and 6.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Ready?
The number is 6. Okay, you can keep there anyway.
It's not sticky.
Though again Shahini got 10 points. So the question is, Grishma, if you have a superpower, what you will do?
I will help people.
How you help?
They got any problems means I will tell suppose example my sister is my home is in fire. I will go and take her and I will call fire station.
Why you will call fire station? You have a superpower, right?
Yes. I have a superpower, but I can help my sister only. When fire station will come, friends, the fire, they will put water. The fire will stop. That time I can help my family all. No,
Okay.
that's why.
Okay, clap yourself.
7, 3, 10.
So the next number I am revealing. Which number you will think?
I think 310. I think 310.
Okay. Little come back. Are you ready? The number is 10. Okay. Grishma got 10 points. So the loser Shahini, right? So I am asking one question. Who is your favorite hero and heroine?
Ask me also, please.
Wait.
Pawan Kalyan, Pooja Hegde.
Okay, you tell me who is your favorite hero?
My
And
favorite hero is Allu Arjun. Heroine is Samantha.
okay, claps yours. So there are 2 balloons right now.
Yes,
So
7 and 3.
so which one it will come? What do you think? 3.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
The number is 7. Okay. Okay, Grishma got 10 points. So, Shahini, I am asking you question.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
The question is,
The question is
tell me any 10 colors names.
pink, yellow.
No, you said orange 2 times. You are counting.
Gray
Hmm.
and dark blue.
Okay, claps yourself. One and only last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
The colors
You know, right? That is number only one, so you can take easily. So, but you have to keep distance. Go outside. More. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. No. So, yeah, okay, wait. Okay, wait. The Grishma got 10 points. So, the last question for Shahini. Tell me a rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I gonna want you up. Can I tell?
No. After that.
Rhyme, go away. Come on, another day.
What? That's all.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha.
Okay, Grishma, tell any rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Grishma, tell.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world, your sky.
Also high.
Also high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, clap yourself. Okay, the final winner is
Shahini!
Shahini is the final winner.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon and Facebook and Instagram.